I feel like everyone are doing good. So here I'm just happy to announce that we are just going to work on with course part, because a lot of beginners were asking me, I don't know about coding, but I need to build something based on their interest. Like for example, if you start building, trading bots or with the equation based algorithms, what will happen is, you no need to depend on anyone. You can start building something on yourself. So for that, I'm just going to conduct this. Again, I'm saying this course is going to be mainly for beginners who don't know how to code, who can't able to understand coding, nothing. If you don't know nothing, it's fine, because it's going to be beginner friendly and it's going to be easy to use. And I'm just going to teach the coding basics with a very easy logic understanding. And I'm just going to teach you the market, because without knowing market, you can't find a solution inside the market. And after that, we are just going to go and work on with, for example, you can't code, for example, without knowing the perfectly coding inside, you can't code it. So for that, we are just going to make use of ChatGPT and other AI models to work on with that. So with that, you're just going to make your work faster, and you're just going to learn how to read the logics and how to read, equations written there. And I'm just going to help you in each and every part. So for that, we are just add nearly 10 modules, and this 10 modules are going to help you like anything, because we are just going to work on with a lot of things in there. The first part is going to be focused on introducing in a quant finance, and I'm just going to go through these part. And next one is going to be the financial market fundamentals, and next we are just going to go with the beginner friendly mathematics, which is used in a quant finance. After that, we are just going to go with the coding logics for beginners. Here like coding logic, in the sense, if you don't know about coding, it's fine. I'm just going to make it even more easier to understand, like how you'll understand A for apple. I'm just going to work like that. So I'm just going to make you to understand the coding part very easily, because if you know the logic, you know what has been given there. And next one, we are just going to be simplified with the AI models to make your work faster, so that it's going to write code for you. Only thing is, you need to know what has been written there and how to execute and how to connect with the exchange, and whether all the connections and all the variables and definitions are properly written or not. So for that, we need to know the logic. So that's what the logic part will come. So after that, we are just going to work on with the AI model. And after that, we are just going to build a quantitative trading strategy. It can be any strategy. If you are going to focus on HFT model, we are just going to build that. If you are going to focus on normal model, we are just going to build that. But the main minus point is, as a retailer, going with HFT model would be very risky. But so we are just going to focus on whatever I just given here as a strategy. After that, we are just going to work on with a new approach based on, you're going to do it. I'm just going to help you with each and every part wherever you're going to struggle. You're just going to do in the 6th module, you're just going to do that. And in the 7th module, we are just going to focus on data analysis. Guys, that's a very important thing. After the quant, beginner level of understanding the information of quant finance, I'm just going to go through the normal trading part and everything. And after 7th module only, you will be getting lot of dealing with data. What is really a data, guys? Without data, you can't do anything. So we are just going to go in depth about the data, like how to analyze the history, how to understand the drawdown and profitability and probability, everything we are just going to see. And after that, we are just going to focus on exchange API and automation, because you just build a bot, but if you can't connect to the exchange, then it would be very difficult for you. So for that, we are just going to work on with that. I'm just going to help you to connect with your exchange and automate your things. And finally, you're going to have an the bot in your hand, and you're just going to deploy it in your exchange, and you're going to run 24/7. Here I'm not going to say anything like I'm just promising you're just going to make profit. I'm not going to say that. I'm just going to train you to gain a skill. With that, building a bot and selling to the client, it's your wish, or building a bot and building your own business, it's your wish. I'm just going to give you the skill. With that skill, you can do anything. You can do anything with that. So your main focus in my side is training you to build a skill. So if you know the skill, no one can beat you. That's what in my knowledge, and that's what even I know. I can't say promise a word like, if you join in this course, you're going to make profit. See, you're just going to make profit if you know the proper skill. So I'm just going to show you what exactly it is, and what exactly the profit mechanism will work, and each and everything we are just going to look through that. And finally we are just going to deploy, and scaling it's going to be your part, whether you're going to run it for 24/7 connecting with the VPS. It's going to be based on the cost variant you have, but we are just going to start with a normal computer, like whatever the computers you have, we are just going to run with that, and we are just going to learn it. Okay, so after that we are just going to deploy, and we are just going to make it like automation 24/7. So each and everything I will be there to help you with proper understanding, because if someone is there to make you to understand, no one can beat you. Like if you gain that experience by the experienced people, really you will be like a master in that. So here the main focus of this course is train you to gain the skill. It's not like fancy word that you're going to make profit, that this. If your skill is perfect, then no one can beat you to stop you to make profit inside the market or anywhere. Okay, so let's see if you're willing to join in this course, and this course is going to be one-to-one. We are not going to add multiple people, so it's going to be limited seats on every month. I'm not going to take more and more, because I'm just going to be there, and I'm just going to help. So if you're willing, you can apply it faster. And the main final part is, after completing this course from our US based company, we are just going to provide the certificate for you. So that would be easy and helpful for you to attach in your resume, so that it can boost your portfolio to the next level. Because if you build something in an automation way with a mathematical equation and everything, if you like know these things, you can build anything, guys. You can build any automation softwares, you can build any kind of automation works. So these things are base level. I'm just going to work on with this, and I'm just going to train you till this course is going to be like till you're building your final project, like till you're going to build your final bot. I'm just going to be there. If you're a quick learner, if you can make within 1 week or 2 weeks, then well and good. But some people are there, they would be so much beginner level. So if it's going to be take longer time, it's fine. I'm there to help you, even if it's going 1 month or 2 months. Within that time period, you are going to be master in that. I'm just going to teach you and push you to that direction. So that's what we are just going to do with this course. So if you're willing, you just join us, and you can text me on Telegram. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.